I really like you gotta taste this joint because you don't be sure I'm them.
Feel the vibe with you, baby. We gon' run it up,
baby. You tryna catch a vibe. I'm real saucy, got me dripping in your ride. So sleep with it, got his hand up on my thigh. I'm his little mama, keep my daddy satisfied. He wanna run it up with me, baby. He wanna burn them trees with me, baby.
So this is where I season my noodles. You want just enough for it to not be too much. That's just enough relish. A little bit of garlic salt. I think that mix it all together. Crush any pieces that you didn't already crush. So it looks something like this. You can add more mayonnaise, whatever you desire. But I think we'll do it like this, right, babe? Okay. I really like you gotta taste this joint because you don't be sure I'm them. Add a little, then stir. Ooh. Okay, record the whole thing. Peeling the shrimp. Get the seasoning all together. Numbers in her purse. Better put that woman first.
Paprika. Delicious.
A little bit of parsley for decoration, and damn.
Oh my God.